The following video clips show giant contractions that produce transport of digester. Here you see the terminal ileum and the region of the cecum and colon. Contrast medium that was delivered from the ileum into the cecum has accumulated at the cecal base and the colonic flexure. The arrow marks a giant contraction starting at the base of the cecum. It propagates over a long distance of the proximal colon. This giant contraction therefore causes a marked aboral transport of digester. It should be noticed that in this case the colonic volume is relatively low. There is evidence that displacement of a large volume evokes inhibitory reflexes, resulting in a reduction of the contraction force. The present giant contraction propels the cecal content into the distal region of the colon. Here is a further example of a giant contraction causing propulsion. The giant contraction originates at the cecal apex and propagates to the colon. Now it reaches the colonic flexure. The blue dotted line indicates the position of the colonic loop. The pink dots represent the recording sites in the cecum. The giant contraction can be clearly identified on the motility tracings. The giant contraction further propagates to the colon. Then it stops and continues distally as a regular peristaltic wave. Backflow occurs simultaneously due to the relaxation of the colonic loop. Another giant contraction starts at the colonic flexure, propelling the digester along the first colonic loop. The lumen occluding giant contraction cleans the colonic loop completely. Reaching the subsequent colonic loop, the force of the giant contraction is reduced. The giant contraction continues as a peristaltic wave.